Third Sunday of January.
Bakit
Yung
mga blue naman.
walang idea. So it is. Doon, both
Yung mga
sides.
pling.
I wear my both sides too.
Ending sila magkakatuluyan talaga.
Best friend lang rin.
Correct.
Best friend lang.
Wait. Diba? Single siya.
Oo, single. Ilang years ka na single later, sabi mo?
Single siya. Months pa lang. Huwag ka tinungaling. Ano si later?
Ha?
Single ka?
Single naman talaga ako.
Sige.
Civilly single? Or in a relationship?
Bakit?
Diba? In a relationship.
Akala mo may ano ako?
Si Divine malapit na.
Si Divine.
Oo nga, feeling ko rin.
Si Divine kaya later.
Good evening,
Ginawa
housemates!
na issue.
Uy, di ba nandito?
So nagsama-sama na kayong mga wayot at high voltage.
Si Tony.
Good evening, housemates!
Sino ngayon?
O, Tien, ano naman nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Wow!
Diyan kayo, oh.
Di ko lang.
Sarap ng manok.
Sarap.
Dito, oh. Lipat nyo lang yung ano.
Hati-hati. Diyan naman kayo.
Unad. Dito kayo. Na kayo. Hit nyo naman.
I think this is our dinner.
Yep. Gets more exciting.
Definitely.
So even if you're thinking of, I'm good.
They started off big, they have to continue it big.
Bigger.
From here on, it's just gonna go crazy. Like, super crazy.
And so far, I'm liking the crazy.
You do. I think tonight there's something bad's gonna happen, Bill. Tonight.
Nomination. Oh yeah, the other thing.
As we packed our suitcases. It doesn't make sense.
I'm scared.
Me too, I'll put in.
Good for them.
I think also we're together for a reason. Maybe like a lot of people are gonna leave.
Need?
They nominated
4.
yesterday. I think they had one day to vote.
No, maybe they're gonna take out 4 people. Anyway.
Oh.
Hindi ko lang kung anong masarap, ang chicken or ang
Ain't it?
nisap lang sa kanila. Grabe na, may ano na, may lahat na. May burakay na. Hindi pa natin, may next week.
There are some things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, ito. Sa'yo yan. Parang breast.
Sarap na manok.
A lot of rice is a good idea. Something's gonna happen.
Kasi north.
Pampanga si ano,
Central yung... No, pa central.
Didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Sabaw and it's for the chicken is so good.
It's first time that we have
Both. Are we supposed to?
Hmm?
Are we supposed to?
Yeah.
Huh?
Anong height mo, Kim? She looks shorter, so... I thought mas tangkad pala niya. Hindi dati sa looban, nakala ko naka.
Ano, rice?
Hmm?
Rice?
Okay. Okay.
No, I'll get it.
Ako na.
I'll get it. How are you gonna get it?
Other plate.
Pag mag-high heels pa tayo, dinadayat pa kayo.
I think something bad's gonna happen tonight.
Okay, yung aso?
Asa, ignore.
You got the whole thing?
Go.
Oo.
Yun na.
Sige lang. Oh, yun.
No, damihan mo siya.
Hindi, kundi, hindi, no.
Siya na, okay na.
Ikaw. Kayo, rice.
Parang ano unlimited rice
Later, thank you.
Marami siguro.
Apaw na apaw yung
Ako pa. Para nung bukal? Yung pork sa kanila. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Mapa.
In it.
Sana, if you have time.
Oo nga. Mag-live na yun.
Buti na lang nasa atin pa si Condense.
Mayor.
Simple, libreng Pasko.
Kasi Merry Christmas, yay. Grabe ang sweet nyo, ah. Kinikilig ako. Parang nanonood lang ng PBB. Ang sweet nyo, eh. Tinuturuan mo na ba mag-Tagalog si Divine Slater?
Nakakaintindi na siya ngayon. Minsan lang nagkamali. Nagkamali siya sa pag-intindi.